Asia Have a Marathon will be organized for the first time in the welcome country and hospitality country, which is known to everybody. The United Arab Emirates will be hosting this event on 11th of November 2023 in Dubai. Our focus will be to show the hospitality of Dubai to the Asia family. So I would like to say welcome Asia to Dubai. And during this event, more than 25 to 30 countries will be participating, and they will be coming. We hope that the number of overall players and athletes who will be participating, including the social and part, they will reach to the historical number and figure which will be organized during in the memory and history of Asia athletics. We would like to organize this half a marathon as one of the success sport event hosted by the United Arab Emirates and Dubai. It will be organized by the Asia Association Athletics. This could not be happen without everybody participating and coordination and cooperation, including our government. First of all, I would like to thank the Dubai Sport Council for showing their coordination for hosting this event, and also to the other government partners, including our main stakeholders and partners, of course, the media. Without you guys, we cannot reach to the people, and the message cannot be reached to the people. So thank you for all the support, and we would like to say for all the people of Dubai, please come to the Dubai Festival City on the 11th of November, early morning. There will be a lot of activities, will be a lot of funs. You will see the professional sport athletics, and also there will be a chance for you to participate during this event. There will be a lot of activities with award and prizes. So please, we would like to see you in the Dubai Festival City in the 11th of November. This is open for all family, open for all family, starting from 6 to 4 ages until there is no limit for the ages. The important things, the objectives of this organizing, let's say, side races with the main activity is to promote the sport to our community, to the people who are living in Dubai. This is the half marathon. What is meaning the half of marathon, and also to promote the practicing of the sport, exercising of the sports, and keep it as normal and as a habit of your life.
It's Federation, Athletic Federation, and Dubai Sport Council, and Dubai Police Headquarters, under umbrella of Asia Athletic Federation. It will be in November 11. Hope many countries coming and will be in this marathon. We are happy to host this first big championship in athletic in United Arab Emirates. The official championship, this is from Asia Federation and United Arab Emirates Federation. Big prizes, but for the community there is prizes for all 21, 5, and inshallah it will be good. We will start from 8,000.